Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use quiz sticker on your Instagram story. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use the quiz sticker on your Instagram story? It's super useful. For example, I just going to add this mouse to my story. Then clicking and just going to resize it and just going to send it to the bottom section. Click on the sticker option on the top and just swipe down. You will see an option called quiz. You can see there is a sticker called quiz sticker here. Just click this. So what guess the price? I just going to type as guess the price. So I just going to ask about the price option of this particular mouse. I just mentioning as 350 and also a 400. You can also select the right answer if you just need it. So the right answer will be like a 350. You just need to click this. So after selecting it, it will be show the answer. So this is how the quiz actually work. For an example, someone click 350, it's a green. And if they get a B or C, it will be wrong like that. You can also change the color of the top color of the like this. So this is how you just use the quiz sticker on your Instagram story. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.